Makeup Battle's coming to Raleigh for a live event on Saturday, October 30th. This is your chance to meet stars from the show as they compete for the grand prize of $500. Fashion models will be walking the runway along with music and A-Dub from K97.5. And if you like taking photos, get there early for a pop-up selfie experience by Picture Studios. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin. Hey everybody, I'm Crystal with Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Crystal Jennings and Sha'Brittany Evans for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi ladies.
Hi.
Welcome back again.
Yes.
All right, before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Mickey Nicole was the winner of last week's contest. She won 81% of the vote and had an average score of 4.65. Congratulations, Mickey. I also want to send a special thank you to Shelby, who did a great job throughout the tournament. We look forward to partying with you at Hyatt Place next month. Today's contest is the second matchup of the victory round. The winner of each battle this month will advance to our grand finale in Raleigh on Saturday, October 30th. The challenge for today's battle is tribal makeup, using face paint as part of the look. Now let's meet our guests, starting with Crystal. Hey, Crystal.
Hey, what's going
Hey,
on?
how has business been since your last time on the show?
I'm very busy because this is wedding season, so I'm exhausted.
I could imagine. It's a great time for everyone, I'm sure.
Yes.
All right, Sha'Brittany, how about you? How has business been since your last time?
Everything's been going good. I'm blessed and I'm definitely grateful for, my clients. So I've been kind of, perfecting my makeup and doing, paint facing, etc. So I'm just excited to be back.
All right, let's start the show with Sha'Brittany's journal. This is a behind the scenes view of the tribal makeup look that she created in Charlotte. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look and then Crystal will have a chance to critique it.
Hi guys, I'm back at it again. This is Sha'Brittany, and this is the round 3 of the makeup battle. Shout out to everybody who voted for me last round. So I greatly appreciate that. So this look here for this week is going to be a tribal makeup. So of course, I'm going to bring it as always, bring the fire, and I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So now the eye is completed. I have a nice black smoky eye with the purple glitter liner. So I hope you guys enjoy this final look. I put a lot of research, a lot of thinking into the look because it is a tribal look. So you have to be very creative when it comes to tribal looks. So I will be back when I have completed the contour and the concealer, and I will see you guys shortly. Hey guys, so this is the final look I'll be showing you guys. The contour has been blended out. I have my concealer that I still have to complete. So my next showing will be the final look. See you guys soon. All right guys, this is the final look for the tribal makeup theme for this week's makeup battle. I definitely put my all into this look, so I hope you guys loved, and make sure to vote for me. Also, please make sure to follow my Facebook and Instagram pages, Brit on the Beat Boo. So just a run through of the look, I have the tribal scarf, the earrings to match, the necklace just to bring in a little bit of pop, and I have the colors coordinating green and purple. So let's give you a look of the eye. I have the glitter liner with the black smoky eye, have the purple lips. So once again, vote for me, and I hope to see you guys in the next round. Deuces.
Sha'Brittany, what was your inspiration for this look?
All right, so my inspiration from this look was just thinking about African queens and how they do the makeup with like the paint mud that they use. So I just wanted to bring a different look to it with just bringing colors and, just have that different type of look with, like the scarf and the earrings to match and, the nice. I really enjoyed this look.
Good. All right, Crystal, are you ready to critique it?
Yes. Okay, well, I thought that you did really, really good with the colors. I was getting Caribbean vibes with the purple and the green. I really liked the lip that you used. The color was really rich and creamy. So that was really nice. And then I liked the placement of the dots, the white dots that you used, and also how you did your chin. So I don't know why I was getting like Jamaican, maybe tribal, but you did an awesome job.
Thank you.
You're welcome, love.
I loved it also. In agreement with Crystal. I love how the purple and green they went together. I loved it. I love the use of the white and the purple on your lips. That was like the best part. That was my favorite.
Okay, yeah.
All right, guys. Now it's time for Crystal's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes view of the tribal makeup look that she created in Charlotte. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Sha'Brittany will have a chance to critique it.
Hey, this is Crystal with About Face Makeup Artistry, and I'm on round 3 with the makeup battle. I'm so excited that I made it this far. This round is going to be very challenging for me. So the look that I'm going to be doing today is called Tribal. I have never ever done anything like this before. So this is the first time that I'm getting artistic. We'll see what happens. Blending, I wanted to stay earth tones because it's tribal, so that's where you come in with your browns, maybe bronze or whatever, but I'm gonna keep it dark. So guys, I'm finally home. This one was fun. It took me out of my element, and I think I did pretty good. So I just want to say thank you for voting for me all this time. I hope to win round 3 and keep it going. So thank you so much. This was awesome.
Crystal, what was your inspiration for this look?
Africa, the whole Afro natural that I already purchased for something else. I was like, let me throw that in there. I just really wanted to use like just herb tones. I didn't want to do any colors, even though I know some African tribes, they do use a lot of colors, but I think they use more colors when it comes down to their clothing and maybe the face paint. You don't really see them wearing eyeshadow, so I wanted to kind of just stay with my own skin a little bit. The white, I used white eyeliner from NYX, and I just started playing with it and was like, let me put it underneath my eye, let me put it on my actual lips, and trying to make little designs or whatever. So it took me out of my zone, but I had fun doing it. I did.
Good. I think it came out really nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, Sha'Brittany, are you ready to critique it?
Yes.
Okay.
Crystal, so I really loved your look. I love the natural look, just including the white. I love the afro, the butterfly on the side of your eye. I love the art that you created with your look. So that was very dope and very inspiring.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mm-hmm. I could almost try to put a little earring right here, but I didn't. I was right.
Oh.
No, I really loved it. I love that you went outside the box again. The white looked really good against your skin, and just adding the wig and the necklace really brought the look together. And I loved your under eye white. That was like one of my favorite parts. And the lip, the white down on the lip. I really liked that.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Make sure you tune in next week when we announce the winner of today's contest. Next week, we'll have a matchup between Gavin and Kayla, so be sure to follow our official hashtag, MakeupBattleShow, for updates. Bye, ladies.
Bye.
Makeup Battle's coming to Raleigh for a live event on Saturday, October 30th. This is your chance to meet stars from the show as they compete for the grand prize of $500. Fashion models will be walking the runway along with music and A-Dub from K97.5. And if you like taking photos, get there early for a pop-up selfie experience by Picture Studios. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin.